You may have a veterinary owner who owns a number of different practices, yet in one demographic he may have a $1.52 million practice, and the other he may have a $500,000, $750,000 practice. So having a full-time manager on site may not be practical at this particular point. But it can be something to be worked into as well. If you have a practice manager at a larger practice, they can possibly take a look at seeing what might adapt to a smaller practice. It's not always the case because usually the clientele can be somewhat different from one neighborhood to another. I really believe that setting clear expectations is the #1 rule of thumb for multiple management or multiple practice management. Doctors may assume that their practice manager may want to take over some of the responsibilities or work at multiple practices. That may not be the case. The manager may want to participate in some or not, but there needs to be a sit-down job description. Let's go over what the expectations of the job would be, and then start from there with setting goals and schedules and things of that nature.